Brand new EV owners are making a huge mistake before they even drive off the lot with their brand new electric vehicle. And we want to save you from making a huge mistake in this video. We've all been there before. You buy your brand new electric vehicle, and the first thing you want to do is jump in and enjoy everything that it has to offer. And that is, you get in your brand new car and you're immediately greeted with this. Now that is the protective film that they put on the car before you buy it so that you don't scratch the lens. Now the thing is, they're gonna probably tell you to peel that off as soon as you get the car. And that's because who wants to drive around with this ridiculous stripe across their screen? But I'm gonna tell you guys to wait. Do not peel that protective screen off of the center screen and even on the center dash screen until you have something like this right here. Now this is a screen protector for, in this case, a 2021 to 2023 Mustang Mach-E, which we're going to apply on here. They're reasonably inexpensive, and just like your phone screen protector, you probably want to protect this giant tablet in the middle of your dash. So today, we're going to finally peel that screen protector off, and we're going to stick this one on. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Now this is always going to be easier to do from the passenger side, but before I get into this, I do want to open this kit up just so that we're ready, because I don't want to get any junk on the screen. So we're just going to peel it off and then stick this guy on, hopefully without getting any air bubbles and without getting any fur or anything like that. Now if you want a kit like this, you can get it on Amazon. I will put a link in the description. And this kit comes with everything you need to clean the screen protector, as well as a squeegee, which we might use, we'll see. And then the skinny screen protector right here. This will be for over on the dash. And then the big guy for the app. We're gonna hopefully do this nice and straight. So we'll put this up here. This is just gonna go just like that. So we're going to test it just to see kind of how it fits. And then this has a tab that you peel off, so that's going to be the back. So this is going to go this way like this. Shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be too hard at all. So we're going to start by peeling this off. This is the experience that we all been waiting for. There we go. We're going to not flick a lot of dust up. We're going to be careful to not flip a lot of dust up anyway. And then we're going to go like this. Like that. And then we've got our film applicator. You want to start down the middle and then go to the sides to push all the air out, just like that. Just like that. And as far as this is actually pretty easy to do. You saw I just kind of eyeballed it. So I strongly recommend you do that pre-fit on there, because that allowed me to understand where it was going to go. So here you can see kind of the spacing around the wheel is very neat and as even as possible. You want the top edges to be all even. And now we've got a beautiful touchscreen without this nasty film that was on there but it was protected until we put it on. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this guy over here. It's gonna be harder to film, and I'm gonna do that from the driver's seat. So let me get you guys in position here. Okay, same as before. We're going to pull this out. We're gonna put that out of the way. Now I just want to, that's gonna be the back. We're gonna move this steering wheel out of the way here so I can figure out where the adjuster is. I don't know where out of the way really is, but okay, and then we're gonna just test that in there. See kind of the space that it's gonna occupy so that we have a good idea. It's big enough. We can adjust it. Looks like it's curved on one side. Is it curved on both sides? It is curved, and that's because that's curved. Okay, no problem. So same as before, we're gonna peel this off. We're gonna try and not flip any dust up. And then we're gonna peel this off. Again, being careful not to get any dust up. And then this is the one that we're gonna look at all the time. So if it's not straight, dang it, we're gonna know. Just like that. And then we use our same little sparger squeegee tool. And then we go to the side, push any air out. And to the other side, push any air out. There we go. You can see the vision detectors there looking at me. But here we can get nice and close. You guys can see it's nice and straight. Now we've got no glare. I did get the shiny ones. There are matte ones you can get that say have higher visibility. I'm not sure if that matters. This is just a really inexpensive way to kind of protect that investment. So it doesn't need to be a long video today. I just wanted to show you guys how to protect that investment. There are a ton of videos coming up about this particular Mustang Mach-E, EVs in general, and we have a special Tesla Cybertruck DIY build. Yes, we are building our own Tesla truck. That is coming up in future videos over the winter. You do not want to miss that. Gears and Tech, we are the EV channel and you're gonna love it. And just wait. For the rest of you who love the tech content, the gaming and the PlayStation 5 and all that, that's still coming. Don't worry, that's still coming. Don't unsubscribe yet. Don't hit the unsubscribe button yet. But the technology is finally marrying into the automotive, and this is an exciting new space, and we really want to show this off to you guys, and this is our chance to do that for you. So stay with us. Please stay with us. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.